Hi. Hello everybody and welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia and in today's clip I'm actually gonna test out something very exciting. Like when I bought the first time SHEIN wigs, I never expected to have this much positive feedback. Not necessarily positive feedback, but just positive engagement and engagement in general. Because literally I have like 5,100 or something like that views on that video, and it's just like insane that some people actually commented on it, be like, could you buy more and try more? And I was like, okay. So this is what I pretty much did. Like I wanted a few wigs that are more like wearable. I actually bought like a blue one, a gray one, and a black one, which the black one obviously is wearable. The gray one in today's world, it is also wearable, and also the blue one I would say in today's world is also wearable. But I just wanted something more simplistic in terms of like its color, because sometimes when it comes to my blue wig, for example, I can't just do anything all on my eyes. Like you could and you can, but sometimes the makeup does not stand out unless there are certain colors, and I'm just like narrowed with the optionality. So that's why I bought myself a blonde wig, which, I mean, I'm blonde. Did I need it? Probably not, but it's short and it's curly, so it sounded like a good reasoning to buy it. I also bought myself a red one because I used to have red hair at some point. Again, I wanted something different, and red is wearable, but at the same time it's something out there. And I also got myself a brown wig because I just felt like getting a brown wig, and I'm gonna obviously put them on today with you here and test them out. I actually did not open them, so I'm very excited myself to see how they're gonna look like. So without further ado, let's jump into the video and test these guys out. So if you did not see the previous video, I actually already own like the hair wig, like kind of like, I have no idea, I even forgot how you call these ones, but just like you need these to put on your head, and I usually do tuck in my hair because my hair is very long but it's very thin, and it actually works. So I'm gonna do it quickly now with you, although I did show it on the previous clip. I sometimes fix it with some hair clips, but I'm not gonna do it today because I'm just testing them out. I don't want to be like perfect, if that makes sense. So I literally just tuck it in the back, and that's pretty much it. Obviously I'm more like careful doing this when I actually want to look at it is my hair. I'm still new at this. I'm not saying I'm doing it the right way perfectly, but I'm getting there. Like I started getting used to them more. I'm gonna start off with the brown one. Very exciting. So this is the natural short curly wig with middle band, which was $12.18 on offer. I used codes. It was pretty much the same drill as the last video, because this one was fully 16 pounds, like $15.99. So all of them come separately wrapped as the last ones I've tried. I also always keep the packaging because they sit very nicely like this. Oh my god, this is very exciting! Because like I said to you, I did not open them. Like this is properly a first impression. Ooh, this is actually really good quality. Also the rest of them I tried from them, they are good quality, but this feels nicer. It also comes with the lace, like the ones in previously. So I'm just gonna put them, pinch them where I feel like it's good for my head. Okay, so that's the middle. Okay, these bangs are massive. What the hell? On the model, okay, we are not getting along that much. On the model, they were like sided, like this, but they are just massive. Nah, this is not gonna work as in the picture. Like I'm gonna try to not forget to insert the picture, but oh my god, the quality is actually really nice, much nicer than the ones I previously tried. It's just the bangs are a bit way too dense. Like It's not a bad thing, but it pretty much makes me blind, if that makes sense. Like, I can't sit like this because I'm like, hi. I think I can pretty much like hide them. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay. Oh my god, this way, stunning. This way is actually beautiful. Like, I really love how it looks when it comes to tucking in the bangs. It's just, I thought they're gonna be more like, maybe if I will style them, they're gonna be like more nicely put down, because it was just getting into my way. But seriously, no, this material, like the actual material of the wig, it is 10 times much nicer than the ones I already have into my collection. This is not like, it's just like very soft. I'm shocked. Like, I actually thought the first 3 ones that I tried were nice. This is actually much nicer. It's just amazing. And I love the color, and I love how it looks with my green eyes. I have contact lenses in because I actually have blue eyes. I'm gonna love this one. And I think I mean, even with the rest of them, I would see myself reaching out to wear them out, because also the ones I previously tried are very nice, but I'm shocked to how soft it is. Like, this feels like legit natural hair, and it's not. It's definitely not natural hair because it's way too cheap to be natural hair. This is having a huge thumbs up, except the bangs, but if you don't mind pinching them like I did with some clips on the sides, it's fine. I actually do with one of them, the gray one I have into my collection, this trick to not have the bangs into my eyes, and I really don't mind the idea, but obviously I'm putting it out there like it would be maybe the same situation for yourself as well. But I'm super into this. Like, it's just insane. The quality is insane. Let's just jump into the next one, because I'm gonna be sitting here and talking about how soft this is, because it truly is super soft. So because I don't have that much battery left on my camera, I actually decided to just go straight in with this one, which is the blonde one. It's actually very lovely. It's so short to a point where it's not too short, but it's literally all the level of my shoulders. And this is the Nature Short Curly Wig for $11.38 I paid, and the full price is $14.99. So the only thing I would say is, again, the bangs are big. You can trim them or you can hide them as like such, as sometimes I do myself with the gray one. And by the way, because I went hectic on how soft that is, like the brown one and this one, I was like, this is actually soft as well. So I went and touched the ones that I already have into my collection, and I just think I'm overreacting a bit because they feel the same. Maybe it's because they are brand new and I just took them out from the actual packaging. Ooh, you can go through the actual curls with your hands, and it becomes even more volume. It's like volumized. Am I dreaming? I really love this one. Although my hair is already blonde and I don't necessarily needed this one, I really like the fact that it's curly and it's short. I personally can't be asked curling my hair unless it's like for a very special occasion, so this is gonna save me a lot of time, and I just love it. It looks very nice. I think I'm actually gonna try to trim the bangs on this one. I did that with my blue one, but yeah, I'm just gonna do the same drill with it. And if you wanna see how it will look like in the future, then definitely follow me on my Instagram, because these are gonna be used over there a lot. So let's take it off. I really love both of them. Let's see the third one, if it's going to be as loved as the others. So this is the red one. Oh, getting a bit messy here. The only thing I would say is that they shed a lot, but it's something that I was expecting anyway. And this is very long. Can you see how long it is? This is actually longer than I expected. It looks so good. Let's see if it looks on my head good. Oh my god. It's just the bangs again, same situation, but that was the same drill with the ones that I previously purchased, so it's something that I was expecting. But oh my god. So this is how long it is, as you can see. Hopefully you can see it. It's actually quite long, but I'm so here for me with red hair. I just always loved how it looked, this color on myself. Like one day if I'm gonna go drastically changing my hair color, I think this is going to be it, because I just love it. Like, this is actually stunning. I love the color again. It feels really soft. I think I overreacted, because I'm pretty sure they're like as equally soft as the firstly ones I tried, but obviously, like I said, I did open these ones for the first time here with you, different than the ones that I previously tried them on my head. And I got very excited because I had these ones for a couple of days and I did not find my time around to film the video. So without further ado, am I obsessed yet again with SHEIN wigs? 100%. I just think I'm gonna end up buying every single one, but I'm gonna chill down a bit until who knows when. I hope I'm gonna chill, because but I'm thinking next to buy a pink one and a green one. I have my eyes on them, so stay tuned until then, because I always say, oh, I'm just gonna wait for a long time to buy some more, because I already have now 6, but chances are in a month or so I'm gonna end up buying them again. Like, not the same ones, but the ones that I'm planning to always keep them in my wish list, which are pink and green. And there's another one, turquoisey, with like a gray part here and turquoise here. So I already have my eyes on some more, but I hope by any means this video was useful and relevant to you. Like I said, I know with the other one I posted, it was very well received, so thank you for that. I hope by any means this one is as useful as that one, and definitely subscribe, because it seems it's getting normalized on my channel to test out wigs. And yeah, except that, I would do makeup and beauty bits. You never know what's gonna come. Like, you never know. I never imagined I would test out wigs or contact lenses recently, and who knows what's gonna come next. But yeah, pretty much that's it from me for today. I'll hopefully see you within the next one. Subscribe and let me know in the comments if you purchased any of the ones I've already showed you over my channel, and definitely check the other clip on wigs if you did not already. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.